Hey there guys, welcome back to our channel Gururo with a new video titled Scrum Master Salary in India in 2022 for freshers and experienced. So what do you think is the range of Scrum Master salary in India? Though a fairly new term in comparison to project manager, Scrum Master is known to many in the IT world. The contribution of the Scrum framework to the software development field is for everyone to see. The success and popularity of Scrum worldwide have made understanding this framework important for individuals as well as groups. For individuals, it is a great career avenue which is known to reward good work. As a result, the Scrum Master salary in India is significantly increasing. On the other hand, businesses need to understand how it works to make their software development teams function more smoothly. Both these reasons put together have paved the way for an increase in demand for Scrum Masters, who are at the forefront of not implementing the framework but also seeing to it that it is done a way that produces the desired outcomes. More and more people are choosing this specialization as a career, and a good Scrum Master salary in India is one of the biggest reasons behind this. We will attend to the salary part later. Our first focus is on the framework itself and how it works. What is Scrum? Scrum is a lightweight framework that helps people, teams and organizations generate value through adaptive solutions for complex problems. Scrum is all about making teams learn from their experiences and work on their organization themselves when finding a solution for a problem. It also encourages teams to follow a path to continuous improvement by delving into the reasons for their victories as well as losses. It is just like how a rugby team works. And no wonder that the framework gets its name from the same sport. The Scrum that we are discussing have applies to software development teams, but there is no reason why its principles can't be used in other types of teamwork. And that is one of the biggest reasons that it is so popular across the world. It is also often taken as a part of the Agile project management framework, which it is not. Scrum is used to define a set of roles, meetings and tools that work together in an organized manner to allow teams to structure themselves and handle work management more efficiently. Now the reason that makes people think that Scrum has something to do with Agile is its principle that focuses on continuous improvement, which is also one of the primary principles of Agile. The difference lies in the basic and general purpose of using the two. Agile is an approach or a mindset, while Scrum is a framework whose only purpose is to get the work done. Going Agile takes dedicated effort from the entire team. On the other hand, Scrum is a framework that can be put to work any given day to start about the Agile way and build principles that are associated with it. Scrum job roles. Developers are the people in the Scrum team that are committed to creating any aspect of a usable increment each sprint. The specific skills needed by the developers are often broad and will vary with the domain of work. Product owner. The product owner is accountable for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. How this is done may vary widely across organizations, Scrum teams and individuals. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is accountable for the establishing Scrum as defined in the Scrum Guide. They do this by helping everyone understand Scrum theory and practice, both within the Scrum team and the organization. The Scrum Master is accountable for the Scrum team's effectiveness. They do this by enabling the Scrum team to improve its practices within the Scrum framework. Scrum Masters are true leaders who serve the Scrum team and the larger organization. So what does a Scrum Master do? A Scrum Master has the following responsibilities toward the Scrum team and the organization. Coaching the team members in self-management and cross-functionality, helping the Scrum team focus on creating high-value increments that meet the definition of done, causing the removal of impediments to the Scrum team's progress, and ensuring that all Scrum events take place and are positive, productive and kept within the time box. Scrum Master job description. Responsibilities for Scrum Master. Coach the teams to become self-organized and cross-functional. Maximize the sustained output and quality of the teams. Assist the teams to continually improve, maintain teams' motivation. Coach the product owners and teams in Agile values, practices and rules. Educate others outside the teams about how the teams are working. remove impediments to the team's progress, organizational change agent, facilitate teams meetings, act as a servant leader rather than manager, communicate the benefits and processes of agile outside of the immediate delivery team. Qualifications for technical program manager: certificate, diploma in project program management preferred, certified scrum master, certified scrum professional or equivalent, minimum 3 years experience of delivery through agile methodologies, experience in affecting organizational change to achieve agility, a passion for learning both self and seeing others grow, flexibility, preferred experience of software delivery within the payments domain, technical knowledge and hands-on development experience in Java, APIs, microservices, experience in changing governance models, experience of Kanban and Scrumban preferred, test automation, BDD, Cucumber or similar, DevOps background and understanding, metrics and measurements around engineering and delivery, hands-on experience in Jira, Agile Central, Confluence, experience in following all sprint ceremonies diligently, experience working in fast-paced and complex environment delivering complex programs projects, implementing early best practices, ensuring code quality and time to market. Rising career opportunities for Scrum Masters. Even before the pandemic, need for Scrum Master was evolving at the speed of light. But now, every organization needs skilled Scrum Masters to ensure business objectives are met. In a world widely getting disrupted by digital and data, organizations are increasingly finding the need to respond faster and be more agile in the way programs are being managed. Scrum Master job openings. First, let us look at the opportunities open to Scrum Master in India. A simple LinkedIn search can land you on more than 10,000 job opportunities for a Scrum Master in India, and that too from service and product based organizations. Out of these, almost 3,000 are from Bangalore, followed by 2,500 from Delhi and 1,500 from Pune and Mumbai each. There are ample opportunities for people with the right skill sets and experience. So there are opportunities galore for Scrum Master, and the indispensable nature of their jobs ensures that Scrum Master salary in India is quite elevated. On Naukri, there is more than 3,000 Scrum Master related job openings from different firms in India. Scrum Master salary in India. Let us look at the most important aspect, the Scrum Master salary in India. How much can you earn if you enter this field? The median program manager salary in India. According to Glassdoor, the average Scrum Master salary in India is around rupees 12 lakh. For comparison, the average salary for a project manager in India is around 15 lakh. So being a Scrum Master, could you fetch almost 20% less income than your project management counterparts? Scrum Master career path and salary trajectory. Let's explore different experience and seniority levels and their salary trajectory. L2 Scrum Master with an experience up to 8 years, average salary 12 lakh rupees. Now if you want to know about IT project manager, program manager, technical program manager, career path and salary, consider watching the videos already uploaded on our channel page. And before going further, I want to tell you that if you are a senior person, consider doing postgraduate certificate in program management from Gururo rather than trying to fit into the age-old bookish certificates. PG certificate in program management will help you move to the next level. Book a free consultation with link in description. List of top and popular recruiters. Your salary will also depend on the company you are working in. Normally, tech giants Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Flipkart and Walmart pay more than average. But getting into these can be quite challenging as they generally have a rigorous recruitment process and tend to require higher aptitude and problem solving skills than average. List of top recruiters based on their pay. Tata Consultancy Services 10,87,550 per year, MDocs 14,76,460 per year, and Tech Mahindra 12,18,244 per year, Wipro Technologies 9 lakh per year, and so on. Top paying locations in India for Scrum Master. Also, the amount in your paycheck may also depend on your location. Location plays a vital role in determining project manager salary in India. The table shows that most of the bigger cities in India offer a salary higher than the national average. Greater Bengaluru area, median base salary 14 lakh per year, range 7 lakh rupees to 24.3 lakh. Pune Pimpri Chinchwad area 14 lakh per year, range 7 lakh to 19.5 lakhs. Greater Hyderabad area 12 lakh 40,000 per year, range 5.2 lakh to 20 lakh, and so on. Scrum Master salary in other countries. How do Indian salaries compare to the top countries in the world? Let's find out. Australia $90,000 US. Switzerland $131,000. United States $97,000. United Kingdom $75,000. Germany $72,000. Now, influencing factors for Scrum Master salary. Here is a list of the factors that affect the Scrum Master salary. More experience. Managers having more experience earn a higher amount of salary as compared to freshers managing their first projects. Location. Location plays a vital role in the salary of a Scrum Master. If a candidate gets a job in cities such as Bangalore, Chennai, etc., will be paid a higher salary when compared to other cities in India. Sector and company. The Scrum Master salary also depends upon the type of company the professionals choose to work in. The sector they opt for also impacts their salary on a high scale. The bigger the company, the greater the salary. Skills. If they have sufficient skills, they can optimize their work efficiently, and greater the performance, more the benefits in terms of salary. Now, why should you become a Scrum Master? It is but natural to be attracted to the high salary that a Scrum Master can earn. But to succeed, you need to have a passion for driving a project from inception to closure. As mentioned above, you can develop the skills, but you should be clear on why you want to pursue the field. Let us understand why you can pursue this field. Easy career transition to project management, program management, and technical program management. Scrum Master is very rewarding and job satisfaction is high in comparison with other job profiles. Scrum Master are high in demand and the demand is set to increase. It means a good Scrum Master can pick and choose projects that suit them. A variety of fields require Scrum Masters. So you will have a chance to work in a field that is of interest to you. The learning curve allows for constant professional growth. You will interact with different perspectives across cultures and sensibilities. It will also help with personal growth. You build your risk assessment and management skills. These are the skills that are essential for leadership roles. Most CEOs are experienced and applauded Scrum Master. To make your career grow as a Scrum Master and earn the highest possible Scrum Master salary in India, you need to have updated your required skills. Conclusion. Scrum Master is a term given to the person who knows the Scrum framework and can apply Scrum principles in complex organizational situations. In this video, we have discussed the responsibilities a Scrum Master has to fulfill and the average Scrum Master salary in India. The Scrum Master salary range in India varies based on different factors such as the job location, employer, and the experience you have in the industry. A fresher with little or no experience can earn a Scrum Master consultant salary of 7,27,000 rupees per year, while the freelance Scrum Master salary can easily go up to 10 lakh rupees per annum. With the rising demand for certified Scrum Masters, the Scrum Master salary in India is also getting better and attracting more enthusiasts to try out this challenging career. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you want more informative and interesting videos like this, consider subscribing.